Munini wa Mutongoria wa Bururi MUHAGURE RIGATHI wa Gachagua na family yake augite muturire wao uri hatikaini thutha wake kurekererio kuma thibitariini wa Karen kuria akoretwo akirigitwo kuma muthenya wa kana. Rigathi augite we na family yake makoretwo na ihinda iritu kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe no nari thibitari-ini uyu amu niehereirio arangiri yake na mutumia wake na ciana niyo makoretwo makimuikaria ari na hahu ya undu muru wa yakumuhanikira ari wika.
When my security was withdrawn here, officers from the National Intelligence Service have been hovering in every room, in every compound here, to an extent that I had to call my wife and my children to come and stay in my room, just in case they get entry to my room or compromise the people who are treating me.
Riri ari rita ria mbere Rigathi ni ahithuritie ati kwari na mageria meri ma kumuhe thumu kuhitukira irio, akiuga tariki 30 mweri wa kanana ni ekireirwo thumu irio-ini igongona-ini rimwe kaunti-ini ya Kisumu, no akimenya na rita ria keri ni tariki 3 mweri wa kanana kuria irio ciake ni ciekiritwo thumu, no gukimenyekana mbere hindi ya igongona riria eriga gucemania na athuri a Gikuyu county-ini ya Nyeri.
I want to tell the people of Kenya that I don't feel safe. And for the first time, let me say that on 30th of August in Kisumu, undercover security agents entered my room in Kisumu and bagged it, and one of them tried to poison my food. On 3rd of September in Nyeri, another team from the National Intelligence Service came to Nyeri and tried to poison food that was meant for me and Kikuyu Council of Elders.
Thutha wa kwehereria rangiri yake riu Rigathi augite undu wothe ungimuhanikira President William Ruto niwe wagiriirwo ni gukuithio murigo ucio, kuria Rigathi amuritie eke uria arenda na bururi no atigane nake na family yake.
I want the people of Kenya to know that as I go home today, I have no security, and it's good that they know. And if anything happens to me or my family, President William Ruto must be held to account. You know, as we speak today, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua, has no single security officer around him.
Ni ndeto itigite family yake na makiria mutumia wake uria utanahota kuhitha maithori maruo na matarania maruo ruria mari na ruo ngoro-ini. Rigathi akiuga kuhagurwo gwake gwokire thutha wa mageria meri ma kumuhe thumu kuringa ihiga.
I stood with you, with my family. You have paid us in kind by being so cruel and vicious against us. We are simple people. We are a very small family. Let us be. Do whatever you want, but please, Mr. President, I beg you, don't kill us. Don't kill my children.
Atongoria aria makoretwo muharine wa mbere makiruirira Gachagua maugite onao muturire wao uri hatikaini kuria amwe ao matarakoma micine yao.
Uria Uhuru wa Kenyatta ugaga tungiakwirire ni maheni no ngwiciria ni kiha muno kuona haria tukinyite ta thirikari na thirikari ino ikariganirwo ati yaugaga ni irahurana na ungumania thaici riu nio ironania ati irenda gutengeria maundu meko mugaru wa watho.
Rigathi ni akinyereirie ati thengia wa maya mothe we niwe munini wa mutongoria wa bururi thutha wa igoti kurugamia kuihurio kwa ithenya riake ni munini wa President Mwamure Professor Kithure Kindiki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.